Hello, my name is Mr. Boyd, and chances are I'm your teacher, but maybe I'm not. I don't know. So hello and welcome. Happy summer, but almost fall. We're transitioning this year at Farmingdale High School. We're going to do a little bit of in school, a little bit of out of school. Maybe you're doing full remote. Who knows? But one thing that came up when I was planning was how are my students going to know if they're home to log in on the first day to watch the live stream, right? Because I wouldn't know. So I thought I'd make a little video describing what we're going to do here. First off, maybe I'll read off the schedule if you don't have your schedule. We have a homeroom that starts at 7:30, right? That's going to be a 7-minute homeroom. Then period 1 starts at 7:42. Period 2 starts at 8:25. Period 3 at 9:08. 4 at 9:51. 5 at 10:34. 6 at 11:17. 7 at 12 o'clock. 8th period is 12:43, and 9th period starts at 1:26. So when you are going to go to those Google Meets, you'll probably want to be in your period at those times corresponding to the period. Now, we're also using something different. Our learning management system this year is going to be something called Schoology. So weird word, I guess. We're not going to use Google Classroom anymore is kind of the short and skimpy of it. So I'm going to take you through what you'll see when you go onto Schoology and how you're going to access our live stream on day 1. And I'm going to be live streaming all my classes. If you have me for physics or you have me for super forensics, that'll be how you'll access things. So I'm going to flip my camera and go from. Okay, camera is flipped. Sorry about that. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to go to something called Schoology. The address for Schoology is Farmingdale. Schoology, that's SCHOOLOGY.com. Now it's going to prompt you to log in on your Google thing, right? So I'm going to pick my Farmingdale Schools one. And now we're on a screen that has all the things going on here. So there might be some feed on there already, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to courses in the top left. Click that, and then you're going to have a bunch of courses pop up. Try it again. Okay, got it. That was weird. Anyway, so you're going to click on the course corresponding to your first period schedule or, whatever period it is. So I'm just going to use my college super forensics, for example, and click that. Now, it takes you to this. I already have a couple things on here, so depending on the teacher that you have, might be different. But for my guys, you're going to go to something called Meetings and Breakouts and hit the drop-down menu at that folder. You might not see it this way. Actually, you're going to see it let me view this as a student. Hey, Tom, we're going to use you. We're going to use you. You'll see it this way. You just hit the drop-down menu here. And then right on time for our period, you're going to go to the Google Meet link. Now, that's going to be different for each class. And you're going to click Google Meet link again. And it'll forward you over to the Google meeting that will already be open by me, and I'll be live streaming my class at that point. So now you see me. Whoa, that's so weird and cool, right? Look at this. Whoa. And that's pretty much the expectation for day 1. If you can get onto that Google Meet at home, everything else is good from there. So that's kind of expectations. Hopefully that helped. And if you have any questions, you can email me at mboyd@farmingdaleschools.org. Or email your other teacher if this is somebody else's student. Okay, bye.